Um, Ever feel that satisfying conclusion you crave from a long-running story just fizzles out? It's a common frustration, and recently fans have been discussing whether part two stuck the landing. While not a bad ending, it felt abrupt. But is it alone in this struggle? Um, Many series attempt a thematic finale, but sometimes fall short of narrative satisfaction. And it's a delicate balance, and several other manga uh, have navigated this challenge with greater success. Never. Uh, let's explore some endings that truly resonated and see how they compare. Um, Despite a rushed final battle, uh, managed a thematically fitting conclusion. Goku passing the torch to Ub, focusing on growth and surpassing limits, felt true to the series core. And it wasn't perfect, but it landed with more impact than some realize. Um, Often praised for its first half, uh, redeemed itself with a powerful ending. Um, A Light's downfall, meticulously orchestrated by Nier, was both cathartic and thematically resonant, solidifying the series' message about power and morality. Interestingly, the manga actually expanded on the anime's ending, adapting transcription. It offered a more fleshed out, nuanced conclusion for Shinji, providing a surprisingly hopeful outcome while staying true to the series' complex themes. Um, and I could kind of point out that I must notice that if you're both offer a second chance, but built its emotional weight more effectively, delivering a bittersweet conclusion that truly resonated with fans. And let's not forget part one itself. Um, Many consider it a near perfect manga ending. Um, Denji finally breaking free from Makima and taking responsibility for Nayuta offered a satisfying resolution to character arcs and storylines. Um, it's a testament to the series' potential. So while part two may have left some wanting more, it's important to remember that crafting a truly satisfying ending is a monumental task. Several other series have faced similar challenges, and um, their successes offer valuable lessons. Um, Speaking of challenges, why did the Chainsaw Man break up with the devil? Because he said their relationship had no power. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.